Welcome to day 21 of Let's Get Exam Ready, and today we're continuing to focus on paper 3. Yesterday we looked at the first part of question 1, and today we're looking at part B. Describe the sampling method used in the study. This question is also worth 3 marks. Remember, all parts of question 1 are static questions. This means you're guaranteed to be asked these exact questions in your paper 3. After reading the stimulus, you need to identify the sampling method that was used. Now, it might actually be stated in the stimulus the name of the sampling method, so read the stimulus carefully to see if the sampling method is actually stated in the study. If it's not, use your knowledge about the different sampling methods to identify the sampling method that was used. Give a definition of the sampling method and then go on to describe it, and making sure you are talking about the stimulus when you're doing so. For example, if it's a volunteer sample, talk about the stimulus in terms of who were the volunteers, how were they obtained, to make sure you're describing the sampling method in relation to the participants in the stimulus. Here's a suggestion of how to revise for question 1 part B. These are the most common sampling methods, and the stimulus that's provided to you will use one of these sampling methods. In the features column, add your notes to help you remember what are the key features for each of the different sampling methods. For example, when using random sampling, every person in my target population has an equal opportunity of being selected to be my final sample. This means I could end up with a wide variety of participants in my final sample, and it's unlikely that I will end up with an equal representation of, for example, males and females. Try to have 2 features for each sampling method. This will help you not only be able to identify the sampling method in the stimulus, but also to give a description of it. If you're not sure about the sampling method, have a guess and still have a go at describing it, because you could still get 2 out of the 3 marks for an accurate description, even if you misidentify the sampling method. And after identifying the sampler method, make sure you define it and then make direct reference to the stimulus in your description of the sampling method. Remember, we're here to help you be exam ready. And if you're looking for any support with your DP Psychology revision, head over to the Diploma Insights website to register for your free tutoring session with a DP Psychology subject expert and examiner. Tomorrow we'll look at the final part of question 1 and give you advice on how you can revise for this question and write a top scoring response.